As you are aware that Honorable Session Court Panjim directed to register FIR into my complaint dated 11/8/2016 against then IGP Sunil Garg, order dated 8/1/2018, thereby disposing my application under section 156(3) of CRPC. That then IGP Sunil Garg filed a writ petition in the Honorable High Court. This order of the Session Court and the Honorable High Court wide order dated 27/6/2018 set aside the order of Honorable Session Court. The Honorable High Court had however given liberty to file the writ petition in order to issue directions to the competent authority to expedite the sanction for prosecution against then IGP Sunil Garg, which was requested by me before the Chief Secretary Goa Government and thereafter to the Ministry of Home Affairs. In view of the order issued by the Honorable Court on 11/9/2018, I filed the writ petition before the Honorable High Court, thereby directing respondent number 5, that is Secretary Ministry of Home Affairs, to grant sanction for prosecution against then IGP Sunil Garg. I am also in process of filing a special leave petition before the Honorable Supreme Court against the order dated 27/6/2018 of the Honorable High Court.